According to science, if there is anyone with a perfectly symmetrical face in this world, it is the South Korean superstar Cha Eun-woo. He is widely celebrated as the face genius because his visuals are shockingly flawless. But was this handsome boy always destined to be a star? How did his journey in K-pop and acting begin? What struggles did he face behind the glamour? And what are the most famous rumors surrounding him? Today, we will uncover his full story. Make sure to watch until the end. Born on 30th March 1997, his real name is Lee Dong-min. Growing up, entertainment was never his plan. He was a brilliant student, consistently ranking in the top 3 of his school, serving as the school captain, and dreaming of becoming a doctor or a judge. But destiny had other plans. At around age 14, a talent scout spotted him outside a shopping mall holding a festival. Initially, his parents rejected the offer because they wanted him to focus on his studies. However, the scout persisted, and after multiple attempts, he auditioned and got selected. That marked the beginning of a grueling journey. For years, as a young teenager, he endured intense daily training sessions in singing, dancing, and acting, balancing heavy idol training with his schoolwork. In 2016, he officially debuted as a member of the 6-member K-pop boy group Astro under Fantagio Entertainment. He took on the roles of a vocalist and the official visual of the group. Even after debuting, the hard work did not stop. He managed a brutal schedule of album promotions, live music shows, and concert tours, all while successfully pursuing a degree in acting at the prestigious Sungkyunkwan University. Cha Eun-woo quickly transitioned into acting, where his popularity exploded globally. His breakout role came in 2018 with My ID is Gangnam Beauty. But his ultimate breakthrough happened with the mega-hit drama True Beauty, 2020. His portrayal of the cold yet sweet Lee Soo-ho stole millions of hearts worldwide and made him an overnight global phenomenon. But he faced a major heartbreak when his closest friend and Astro Group member, Moonbin, passed away. Overcoming this grief wasn't easy, but keeping his friend's memories in his heart, he poured his soul into acting. He didn't stop there. He challenged himself with diverse roles, starring in the action fantasy drama Island and the intense thriller Wonderful World. He also made a major impact on the big screen in the action thriller movie Decibel, earning high praise for his emotional performance alongside top veteran actors. Today, Cha Eun-woo is a massive global fashion icon. He is the face of some of the world's most prestigious luxury brands, including Dior, Burberry, and Chomit. Whenever he attends international events like Paris Fashion Week, thousands of fans gather just to catch a glimpse of him, often outshining Hollywood celebrities. Reports suggest that a single sponsored post on his social media is worth hundreds of thousands of dollars. Being this famous naturally brings a lot of talk, and Cha Eun-woo has some very interesting rumors attached to his name. A hilarious, ongoing industry rumor is that he is so unrealistically handsome that female co-stars get a visual complex standing next to him. Actresses have jokingly mentioned needing extra makeup just to look normal beside his glowing skin. In terms of dating rumors, his incredible on-screen chemistry with True Beauty co-star Moon Jae-in sparked massive speculation worldwide. Fans loved them so much that dating rumors spread like wildfire. However, both have consistently maintained that they are just incredibly close friends who love supporting each other's work. From a top-scoring school student to becoming one of the most influential global icons, Cha Eun-woo's journey proves that he is much more than just a pretty face. Which of his dramas is your absolute favorite? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Drama World for more exciting content. See you in the next video.